Chioma, do you have any thoughts on what he just said, or
Yes.
should we move forward? All right, go ahead.
No. Yes, I do, because it is important for us to have the conversations that are happening in the chat so that we can have a very cohesive conversation. I know that a lot of people are going to leave this room thinking that they have achieved something today. I keep hearing Ndi Igbo are defending themselves. Who are you defending yourself from? That's Osu and Lilu, Dato North, Isheke, Ako, Mbitolu were set on fire. So if you are saying you are defending, because this idea that if has nothing to do with us. So if you're saying that the Biafra struggle must happen, you tell us why that Biafra struggle must happen. Because I'm reading the comments and someone is saying, how is people defending themselves a scam? Which of your Alan Nagekine defending? Who are you defending it from? In Osu, when the Biafra agitation led our people to the path of death, who were they defending them from? Ndi Igbo gbara ọsọ agha n'Ọsụ in the past 5 years, abandoned their homes. You have the temerity to come here and tell me about your Biafra. Let me be clear, because I need to reiterate this. In fact, I feel like I have to be saying it every 1 hour so that you can clip me and post it everywhere. Before Biafra, Igbo was. During Biafra, Igbo was. The last time there was anything called Biafra was 1967 to 1970. Even the people who were born in those times carry Nigerian passports. You are a Nigerian. You can agitate for whatever. But the minute you want to succeed, I get treated as the enemy of the state. The reason we have set our region on fire for the past 26 years has nothing to do with any bloody struggle. Because you did not fight Nigeria, you fought Ndi Igbo. You did not tell Nigeria to sit at home, Ndi Igbo sat at home. Ndi Igbo nwụrụ, unu gbaburu Ndi Igbo, unu tara anụ Ndi Igbo. The people you burnt and used to cook egusi soup were Ndi Igbo. So one struggle. So if you believe strongly, always in a time again in the gulag. If this is the only thing you achieve today, let your brain open so that you can ask yourself the questions. If Biafra is a struggle, why must Igbo people die for it? If Nigeria is so terrible and so bad, I didn't know when Nigeria came into Osu and set it on fire. But what I knew was when those who were agitating in the name of Biafra, in the name of freedom, in the name of liberation, came in and took people that were free-born citizens and put them inside bondage in the name of a struggle. So it is very important that we make these clarifications, because every single time we have these conversations, what he said and she said, Chioma said and Kanu said, Ndi Igbo have been the only people who bore the brunt of this Biafra. So if you believe that Biafra has been good for us, come up on stage and challenge me. I have time. We can do it. Don't be scared. It's only I call people that eat to chew human meat. Okay? We will sit here as Ndi Igbo and we will decide what Ndi Igbo should be focusing their energy on. Thank you, Kachi.